How to make your TikTok account private. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you are going to go on the TikTok application. As you go on the TikTok application, go to the profile option that is located down below. Click on that. And over here, go on these three lines that are located up above. And then go to settings and privacy option. As you go to the settings and privacy option, then there is an option of privacy over here. Now there is an option of private account. You can click over here and turn it to private account. Now this will make my account private by clicking it over here. I can also change my activity status from here, and I can also change whom my account is suggested to. I can have this suggested to my account people, my Facebook friends, my mutual connections, and I can change all the settings that I want. This is how I can make my account private on TikTok. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.